right, we are doing some camping. I just barely packed all this up. Got the bag, got the pillow, got the lighter fluid, got some wood. There's like one piece of wood in there, and I got the fire sticks in there. Well, I don't even know what I have in here. Oh, those are my curtains. My bad. We're gonna go camping, and it's gonna be me and Carrie and Emma. Maybe more, but probably just those three. We're gonna do a fire. It'll be pretty fun. Yeah, we're loading up the truck. Oh, what else was I gonna? Oh, I was gonna grab my other wood. That's what we're grabbing. Let's do that right now. You can do that with me. Recently cleaned out my truck because I was, to be honest, looking at another one, but I don't know, this one's not selling, which is honestly kind of fine because it's kind of nice. It's all cleaned out and it kind of feels like a new truck, so it's like chilling. Where are we going?
We're going freaking camping, guys. I'm so excited.
Sorry, let me let you talk. I always interrupt you.
Oh, no, that's all I wanted to say.
Hell yeah.
I'm so excited. I'm ready.
All right. Emma is apparently camping in her car. We'll see tonight. Let's see what she's got. Okay, so she's got the seats bent down. Damn. It's weird like when half of your body is in the trunk. But I am impressed. This was like fast. There was not much time for this. Well done. Wait. We have
Oh my god, I have the tissues I cried in.
We have lint. Oh, nice.
Oh, even better.
Casey, what do you have to say to YouTube?
No, he's grabbing
Watch
lint.
this.
I take it back.
I need twigs too.
I do that. Who else needs bug spray? You don't need fucking bug spray.
Yeah,
Oh no, I'm good.
it needs it.
I don't like that stuff. I'm good. Thank you.
Nope. Hey there, Gary. What's it like in Pleasant Grove City?
Hey.
Miles away. That's all.
Alright, where'd that last dart go? Here.
Okay.
Here's a little lighter.
There you go.
What is that, beer?
It's that ale, sir.
Okay.
Gary, don't drink.
He was this close to bringing it.
You're crazy enough
I was.
already.
I was. For other things.
Okay.
Okay, be smart, little buddy. So just try to get the center. Okay, what's the lighter? Match?
Juice the inside.
Something?
It's gonna burn your hair, Gary. Yeah, keep the plastic
I
in
swear
there,
to
yeah?
God, you're gonna burn your hand. Devin? How did I know why?
I know, I don't know either.
Wait, grab the plastic.
How much did you do, Max?
Oh, plenty.
That's what she said.
That's a good smoke.
Oh my god.
Where's my twigs?
Yeah, that's
Wow.
Am I the only one who got twigs?
Yeah.
Donnies. I need twigs.
You got twigs in your pants.
This one doesn't have the trick. You have to press, go down the thing.
It's good. It's good. I think it's good.
I need more twigs.
Yo, guys, we got a freaking fire. You know, last time we tried to get a fire between the four of us, it did not work out.
Yeah, there's no such
Yeah,
thing.
look at that.
I got fire. Have you seen that video? It's like two different types of people. There's a girl playing with it softly, and there's a little kid in the background that says, I got fire, and runs across.
A sword.
Light that on fire, and it would be like the bush that lights on fire when, what's his name, talks to Jesus.
Running for the tree.
Hey Casey, are you a firebender?
Yeah. Bend this stick around your throat.
Assuming you had one.
Your throat, Terry.
Well, I said assuming it was assuming you had one. Calling you a woman. Like there's like quantum.
We're camping.
Because you're gay.
Terry's going on a monologue about some stuff here.
Yeah.
Monologue.
Hey, I'm just thinking.
Hey guys, today was what you could say was another easy day.
There's another reason.
Hey, guess what? I made my video surprisingly different.
Good, actually. Today and yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not.
Changed it up.
You were naked in them?
Yeah.
Start out with the cock shot.
That's what I said yesterday. I said you took your clothes off.
I hate you guys.
I wonder what fun day would be like on fire.
Do it.
Try it.
Try it.
I honestly think it'll just
like
burn. And Emma actually did go to sleep in her car, as she promised. That's crazy. Here's where we're at. Well, good night, everybody. This has been a really, really fun camping trip. What did you just say that this was?
This is so fun.
Such a vibe, right?
This is the vibe.
Like the river's right there. You can hear it. I can't see it, but good night. Morning. That concludes this episode of camping. Thank you so much for joining us. It was so much fun, a ton of fun. I never thought how fun it was. I'm glad that everyone else joined us, Max and Ammon and Casey. And for all those who are wondering what our campsite looked like, this is what it did look like. The river right there. Like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. See you on the next one.